At first, I could not believe you could actually make money like this. But this strategy has already brought me $49K. Unbelievable, right? And right now, I'm going to show you how this strategy works. We'll trade for about 10-15 minutes and try to turn a mere $5 into a whole $3,000. With this strategy, it's absolutely doable. Hi, it's Simon. I've been in trading for over 7 years and my average annual income is around $1.2 million. Join the trader community in my Telegram channel. I conduct joint trading sessions daily with my 14,000 subscribers. I send them signals and they enter trades with me. Together we make from $250,000 to $350,000 every single day. Get my personal support, level up in trading and make money with me absolutely free. Join the channel through the first link in the description or in the pinned comment. Today we've got a non-conventional strategy, 5 seconds scalping. As the name suggests, it's traded on a short-term 5 seconds time frame. This might seem risky, but remember, I'm a pro and I know a few crucial life hacks. So you need to be ultra focused when using this strategy. Or, better yet, join me on Telegram where I can guide you through it. Right now, our deposit is $12, basically the minimum amount for investing. I plan to make over $3,000 from just $12 in about 10-11 minutes. Wanna see how it's done? Now it's time for the last step, getting the Pocket Option platform ready. First, we'll set the trade time to 5 seconds. The amount will be $12. Candle time frame 5 seconds. Next, currency pairs. Let's go with this today. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Aussie and Swiss franc, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, and Aussie and US dollar. These pairs have the maximum payout percentage, 92%. So we'll earn more with fewer trades. The last and very crucial part in trading, indicators. Our strategy relies on Bollinger Bands and RSI. Bollinger Bands, period 15, deviation 1.2. We'll set the line style to 2 and change the color to pink for better visibility against the chart, so you could see everything super clearly. RSI, period 10. The line style will also be 2 and we'll choose a pink color. Stick with the video to the end to find out how these indicators work and what makes them so effective. Great, we are fully prepared for the trading session with our profitable 5-second strategy. It's brought me 30-40K% in less than half an hour, so let's test this strategy live. Let's get started. Australian dollar and US dollar. The chart made a slight dip but is now trying to bounce back, so we bet on an upward trend. Just 5 seconds and our deposit nearly doubled. We are at $23. Awesome! Looking at the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar pair. After a strong bearish impulse, we expect the candle to return to its previous level. Testing the resistance, we press higher. My forecast was spot on, and of course the indicators help analyze the situation. Is analyzing chart on the 5-second strategy tough for you? Have you tried trading on such a short time frame yet? Write it in the comments. It would be awesome to learn more about my views, your experience and market knowledge. Next up, the Aussie dollar and Swiss franc have set up a new sideways trend. We bet. Nice, we're expecting a short-term price drop now. Excellent, smart chart analysis is paying off. Our capital is now at $84. And we're just getting started. Aussie and Canadian. The price hit its local peak and it looks like the market's gonna start consolidating. Plus the indicators are at extreme values, so we are going short. Our balance is now over $100, precisely 161, and we are swiftly on track to our goal. The strategy is killing it again, and that's definitely reason to hit like on this video, right? Keep track of this content and the strategy and show some love for me and my channel. Fantastic. Ready to keep going? Absolutely. Aussie US dollar. The chart here is consolidating and likely to continue moving within a range, so we press higher. Plus the RSI is hinting at an upcoming upward impulse. Meanwhile, I've made $310. Decent money, but I'm not planning to stop just yet. Aussie New Zealander. strong upward impulses, even though the price has already soared. A slight correction and it's time to get in. We're going long. The candle lengths show buyers are dominating this asset. Incredible! We effortlessly boost our bank to $595. Who else can brag about making money this fast and easily in such amounts? That's what I'm trying to tell you. Aussie franc. This pair is due for a sharper correction. Bet down. RSI indicators are pointing down and the chart line has significantly crossed the Bollinger Bands. Now our income is at $1,146. And to use another super strategy, I recommend watching this video. With it, I turned $10 into $2,726. It took me just 10 minutes to increase the account by 27,000%. Want to get your hands on such a profitable strategy? Of course, click here or follow the link in the description. Meanwhile, we are nearing the end of today's session. Alright, Aussie and Canadian. The market hit some intense volatility, and after such a strong green surge, a significant downward correction is likely to happen. So press lower. It's crazy how fast we're making money. Our earnings are already at $2,062. Know any alternative yet safe ways to make money this quickly? I don't, except in options trading. Let's check out the Aussie and the buck. Need to get in again after the bullish impulse. Bet down. Both indicators suggest this was another price peak and we are in for a drop. $2,982. Impressive, right? But that was a piece of cake. RSI. This indicator helps determine the strength of a trend and the likelihood of its reversal. If the chart crosses the 70-80 value line, it indicates an overbought asset and a probable decrease soon. Crossing the 30-20 value line suggests an oversold asset that might soon rise in price. Bollinger Band. This indicator effectively measures volatility. A wide channel indicates high volatility, while a narrow one suggests low. If the chart line crosses the boundaries, it signals an impending price reversal back towards the center of the indicator lines. Together, these two indicators create favorable conditions for market analysis and identifying entry points for trades. Now, let's make our last bet for today. Aussie and Kiwi. The pair is in a new downward trend, which I recommend following. Press lower. Brilliant, just a super professional session. Trading in binary options always boosts my mood, making $3,892 in 10 minutes. How about that? Trading in binary options is a super effective tool for making money online, and I can teach you how to master it. I'm eager to offer my personal guidance to you. I already have a community that I support every day. 14,000 subscribers of my Telegram channel make from $250,000 to $350,000 with me every single session. It's all very easy. I give them signals on when and how to enter trades, and they trade with me. And they're making an average of $500 to $1,000 every day. Do you want to join us and make $1,000 daily? Then just take 2 simple steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link is in the description, and send me a personal message. To do this, just click on the first link in the description or in the pinned comment. That's all for today. Bye for now.